This is a new problem for all new ngrok users when tunneling their TCP connections through the ngrok tunnel. But one question is, why are some users able to use ngrok TCP tunnels, including me? You can see that I'm able to use the ngrok TCP tunnel. The reason behind it is simple. All old ngrok users are able to use TCP tunnels. But in the case of new users, you might face this issue. Some of my students asked me for the solution, so I am making this video. First, open your Firefox browser and go to localtonet.com. Click on Get Started Free. At first, I try to register with a temporary email. You can also use a temporary mail extension. Let's save it. Now let's confirm the email. That wasn't helpful. We can't create an account using a temporary email. So let's use our Gmail account. I'm signing in with my Gmail account. Now our account has been created successfully. Now, open another tab and search for Localtonet download. Click the first link. I'm using Parrot OS, which is Debian based, so let's download the Linux 64-bit binary. Let's extract it. We've got the binary. Let's give it executable permission. Now let's run the Localtonet binary. The first time it runs, it will ask you for the auth token. Let's copy the auth token from the dashboard and paste it here. Now let's build a tunnel for a TCP connection. Click My Tunnels, select TCP UDP, and then click Create TCP UDP Tunnel. Now specify the port. Set the protocol type to TCP. You can also select Custom Subdomain, but it's paid, so let's go back to the random subdomain. Choose your auth token. You can also choose your servers, but I am using the default one. Now let's create the tunnel. The TCP tunnel has been successfully created. Let's start it. You can see that your tunnel is working. Now let's check it on our self-hosted lab, which is on another network. Let's try to access it through our Localtonet tunnel. So for that, let's create a PHP reverse shell script. Open another tab for a netcat listener on our client port 4444. Let's upload shell.php. You see it is working like our ngrok tunnel. I made this video for students who want to solve my hosted lab in my Telegram group Cyberpath. So this is for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. So goodbye, and see you soon.